for knitting these. They make great mug holders when the cup is too hot. Okay. Alright, so now. Alright. Here we go. Since I've started vlogging, I guess, maybe I can open up a little bit, expand my horizon. Because these shoes are dope. If you're a sneaker lover, you're about to be impressed. One more sip of coffee before I... Uh-oh. Oh my god. Oh, I love heather gray. I buy like heather gray shirts. And here you have it. Well, a little change of plans. I don't think I'll get in trouble. Actually, there's a dock right here. This would make for a really cool... Let's see what we got. I'm sitting here in my truck because it was just getting way too cold, and I was about to leave to just to get out of here, and all of a sudden, look at this. Look at this. I mean, just a full out of nowhere. I mean, the sun was just... And I mean, out of nowhere, you've got this snow.